In the morning light, the sun shines bright. Excavator's ready, wow, a wonderful sight. With a big strong arm and a bucket so wide, it's time for an adventure, Goose. Let's go for a ride. Excavator, dig, dig, dig. Goose is digging up treasures, oh so big. With a scoop and a roar, Goose is ready to explore. Excavator adventure, who could ask for more? Through the muddy fields and the rocky ground, excavators digging, making a sound. With every scoop, Goose finds something new. Maybe a dinosaur or a shiny shoe. Goose is digging up treasures, oh so big. With a scoop and a roar, Goose is ready to explore. Excavator adventure, who could ask for more?